Okay, so today we're going to talk about piecewise function because it seemed to be something that was a struggle on the quiz. And so here is what we're going to do about this thing. So, I have these two functions, this one here and this one right here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for their breakpoint. And their breakpoint is right here at -2. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is I'm going to plug in -2 into both functions. I'll take blue, so this one I get -1, or -2, whoops, plug in -2, -1, and so or +1, can't write today. So you can see when I plug that in, I'd get 6 minus 4, and I would get that to be 2. And for this one, I would get -1. Now this is helpful because at the point -2, for this function it would be 2, and that's a solid dot because this is underlined. And then this one I'd go down to -1 and I would include an open dot. Now the nice part about this style is you are just literally at the breakpoint putting in what point it should be, and then we will use its slope to figure out all the rest of the points. So its slope is -3/1, and I'm going in the left direction because this is less than. So I'm going to go up. So in this one, you normally for these problems would go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1. But we don't get that direction. We get the direction of up 1, 2, 3, and over 1 because this thing is a negative. So it's going to keep going 1, 2, 3, over 1. Now this one down here is going to do the same thing, but it's going to go down. It's going to go in the positive direction because it is bigger than. So it's going to go up 1 and over 1. Up 1 and over 1. Up 1 and over 1. So I'd get that line right there. So again, when you're trying to graph piecewise functions, I would plug in the point for the given piecewise function at the intervals and then use the slope to graph where it's going. This one was less than, so it's going to go off to the left. This one was greater than, so it's going to go off to the right. And I use my slope to see which direction the things are going.